How to use Calm like a pro. If you want to use the Calm application like a pro, now there are a couple of things that we can do. You can create a daily routine that promotes mindful meditation. So you can aim for a daily meditation practice starting with at least 15 minutes and gradually working up to 30 minutes or more. So you'll have all this meditation music and all this available right within here. You can incorporate guided programs to explore the app's programs such as manage stress or improve sleep to develop long-term coping strategies. You can utilize the sleep stories and calming music to establish a relaxing bedtime routine. And you can also incorporate short breathing techniques throughout the day to manage tension and promote relaxation. So these are some of the ways that you can use the Calm like a pro. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.